up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? Today we are gonna move right to it. Wrong side, of course. We're doing the Star Ranch palette. We're gonna do a makeup look today. I got this in my Jeffree Star mystery box, so I'm super excited. So pretty. I'm super excited to use her. She is gorgeous. She got some neutrals, she got some blues. So I think I want to dabble in like the blues, of course, and maybe add like the green to the inner corner. Kind of got a look that I'm thinking already. So I'm going to shut up and we're going to move right along. All right, so I did bring you in a little bit closer just so you can see the eye look. Like I said, we're going to be using the Star Ranch palette by Jeffree Star. This is a new palette that he just launched. Technically, this is an exclusive and this palette won't come out till a couple months, he said. But we did get it in the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. So she is gorgeous. Them colors are so pretty, definitely up my alley, so I wanted to definitely do a look. And normally these I think are about $28, the 9-pan palette, so that's probably what it'll be around when it comes out. But I am first gonna do some lid primer. You know me, I always be using my Revolution Pro, cannot talk. Ultimate Coverage Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer. She is in 5.7. That was a tongue twister, but I'm just putting her on the lid. I'm gonna start with the palette. So I think I'm gonna start with Yak Farm, which is this like cool tone brown. I'm gonna put this in the crease and I'm just using a Morphe brush. So far, the color looks really good. I love it. It's like a cool tone brown and it's blending very well. I absolutely love Jeffree Star palettes. I've never had a problem with them. I think they blend beautifully. They're probably one of my favorite formulas out there. Just so pigmented and easy to blend. I'm gonna go into Wyoming, which is the darker chocolate brown right here. And I did grab a different brush. This is a Glam Mirror brush. Got it in BoxyCharm. She's super cute. And I'm gonna focus this on the corner, like the inner corner, and just kind of tap it and kind of bring it to like half the eye, because I kind of think I know what I'm gonna do, kind of sort of. I always switch it up while I'm doing it, but and then just blend a little bit. This color is pretty too. It's gonna be perfect when it comes around like fall time, when I love my chocolatey browns. Like I'm definitely gonna want to do, where'd it go? Oh yeah, this one. I know on camera it's kind of light, like for some reason it's more gold, but in person this is more of like a really dark chocolate brown. So I'm definitely gonna do a chocolate brown look. And then I'm gonna go back to that other brush that I had before and just blend it a little bit. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna go for, this one, which is Casper Mountain. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm gonna put that on the lid. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. And then I'm kind of just spreading it all on the lid, like even a little bit over that brown that I did. And I'm gonna go back to that first brush, blend that crease a little bit. I know she was looking a little crazy. I like to use my fingers to put the lid shade on. I just think it goes on a little bit better. And then just add a little bit more. And then I'm gonna go back to Wyoming, which is the darker brown. Kind of just add back what I lost. So you know me, I'm pretty simple. I don't like to do a lot of colors mixed with it, because then I like to add more of like the pop of color underneath, or I try to add a little bit of that inner corner, which I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to end up using this color for the bottom and then add that little bit of green like in the inner corner. So I think that's the game plan. So I'm going to add some liner. Which liner should I use today, if I can find it? I think I'm going to go back to my Tarteist liner. It's the liquid liner. It's the double one, but I already used up that other one. And then I think I'm going to do a wing today, y'all. So let me... And then you know me, I like to clean her up with my makeup wipe. Give her a better point. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner, just the black one, to tightline, or is that the word, to get all up under here. All right, so for lashes, I'm gonna be using these bad boys right here. They are super wispy, super long and dramatic. My friend Nancy from work actually got me these. These are the new edition Lash Bomb multi-dimensional lightweight lashes. Premium luxury 5D lash. These are from the beauty store that's right by my job. She told me that they are bomb.com, bomb, you know. They are bomb, and I wanted to give them a go, so she got me them, and you can see they're $1.99, and I'm really excited to try these. I love me some lashes. I need to go and get me some. Look at how pretty. I do need to cut them because they are pretty long. Ooh, I like how they feel. Look at that, super wispy. Let me cut them. Let me see. I'm gonna use my lash glue, the Kiss Alloy Lash Glue. You know, it's my favorite, the only one I use. It is almost dry. It's been about 30 seconds. Gonna bend her a little bit so she can fit around my eye. Look at that. Woo! That is a wispy, wispy lash. Holy shit. So here is how she's looking. I am gonna do the other eye off camera just so we can do the under eye together and like that inner corner together, because I really just wanted it to focus on the Star Ranch palette. I don't know why I did that. Focus on the Star Ranch palette today. So yeah, let me do the other eye and the rest of the makeup, and I'll be right back. So I didn't realize I wasn't recording. Dummy my part. So here's what, I can't believe I did that. I was starting to do the blue on the one side, and I obviously was talking to myself. Oh my god, now my lash is sticking. I can't. I am a mess. But I originally was using this brush, but it was too fat. So I'm going in with a little bit more of a fluffy brush, and I'm using Grand Grand Prismatic, which is this blue. And I'm just rubbing it underneath the eye. By the way, this is the look, how I'm looking so far. I already did my foundation, my blush, highlights, did all that. I'm so mad at myself. I can't believe I did that. Going back to that LA Girl liner. Put under the waterline. I'm going to add this color right here, which is Star Creek. It's like this greenish color to the inner corners. So I can use another color. I'm just going to dab right there. Ooh, that looks pretty. You could do the gold too. That would look pretty. But I want to do a little something different. Alright, so here is the final look. What do you think? Me personally, I am in love. The blues, the browns, the green, I think it just all went so well together. This palette honestly is beautiful. The colors blend really well. And even though I had a little bit of that trouble underneath, it wasn't even the color's fault. It was just my fault. And then I wasn't recording, so then I got a little bit frustrated, and I do apologize for that. You know me, good old Jazz. But honestly, this palette is beautiful. I can't wait to do more looks with it. Like I said, I really want to do like a super brownie look. I think that'll look so gorgeous, especially for fall time coming up. I know this was more so like fall / winter. It wasn't really like a summer look, but this palette I feel like is a fall look. Like you can't, yeah, you could do like blue and a little bit of the green, make it more like summery. I don't know. I mean, you could do anything in the summertime, it doesn't matter, but this definitely is a good fall palette. I'm so in love. I love how everything turned out. These lashes, like I said, once again, just pulled the look all together. It just made it so dramatic, and I love it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but I hope you enjoyed it. And please be sure to definitely subscribe and also ring that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you would definitely be notified. And also, don't forget to follow all my socials, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my IG. Catch me on that TikTok as well. It is Jams2535, so look for me there. And then also, don't forget my business page. It is Jazzy Jules on Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, I think that's it. I don't know what's up with me today, so I apologize, but I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!